The AI cat videos are gradually taking over social media right now. Today, I'm going to show you how to create these viral animal videos from prompts to videos. Stick around, because this tutorial will blow your mind. All right, let's dive in. Step 1. Generate image prompts. Open ChatGPT or DeepSeek, paste the prompt here, and let AI generate a prompt for you. Don't worry if you don't know how to use AI to generate the perfect prompt. I'll put the prompt I use in the description area. Once you have your image prompts, it's time to generate the image. Step 2. Generate image. Go to the PicLumen AI website. Click Generate for free. If you are the first time to use this website, it will require you to sign in first. After you sign in, click Create. Choose a model and select Flux for the best result. Now choose the aspect ratio of 9:16. Now paste the prompt you just generated by AI and hit Submit. Now the image has been generated successfully. If you like the style of this image, click it and copy its seed number. Now in Advanced Settings under Seed, choose Fixed, then pasted the seed number. Now go back to DeepSeek, copy the second image prompt, and repeat the process until you generate 6 images. Now let's move on to the next step. Step 3. Image to video. Open HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find the link in the description below. After you download HitPaw Edimakor, open it and click Create a Video. Hover over to the left under AI Media and click Image to Video. Choose a custom mode. Here, upload your image. And paste the same prompt you generated before. Now choose the duration of this video clip, then click Generate. Repeat the steps until all the videos have been generated. Step 4. Final adjustments. Drag all the video clips to the timeline. Then cut out the clips you don't need. Now go to the music library. Add some background music and sound effects to it. And that's it. That's the final result. Isn't that great? If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can tell me in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.